Lesson 6. About the Internet. You all are aware of the term Internet, which is influencing in various spheres of our life. Connecting the people all around the world, sharing knowledge, entertainment, online chatting, buying and selling goods, sending greeting cards and whatnot. Internet is the key for everything. Internet is a network of computers and devices all over the world to share data and information with each other. It is not just a network of computers, but also a network of networks. No one knows exactly how many computers are connected to the Internet. Internet is also providing new ways of interacting and communicating with people. History of Internet. In 1969, the US Defense Department set an agency for research and analysis in the field of defense. This agency was named as the Advanced Research Projects Agency, or ARPA. ARPA designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data. This network of computers was called the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, or ARPANET. Later on, the US government opened ARPANET for educational purposes. Many universities and institutions started using this network of computers. The network, thus, grew bigger and bigger every day. This led to the birth of the Internet. The Internet now has become a necessity in our lives. Tech fact. The term Internet was born in the year 1973 when University College of London, England, and Royal Radar Establishment, Norway, connect to ARPANET. Internet terms. There are some common terms associated with Internet. They are as follows: World Wide Web, WWW. WWW is an important part of the Internet. The World Wide Web refers to the largest collection of information in the form of text, graphics, audio, video, etc. This information can be accessed by people all over the world. Web page. It is a page on the Internet that contains information in the form of text, images, photographs, sound or video, etc. A web page can be accessed through a web browser on the Internet. These pages form the building blocks of a website. Website. A website is a collection of linked web pages. The first page of a website, which is displayed by default, is called a home page. The web is a collection of websites. It contains the links to other pages. These links are known as hyperlinks. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Each web page or website has a unique address called a Uniform Resource Locator, or URL. The URL is the specific address of a web page. For example, https://n.wikipedia.org, where HTTPS is protocol and wikipedia.org is domain. Web browser. It is an application software that looks for web pages and displays them on your computer or device. When you enter a keyword related to the information you want to search for, the browser displays the results in the form of links of the web pages. Some popularly used browsers are Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, etc. Downloading. Getting the data from the host computer, server, to the client computer, user's computer, is known as downloading. You can download innumerable games, music, videos, etc. from the Internet. Uploading. Copying the data from the client computer, user's computer, to the host computer, server, is known as uploading. For example, sending some photographs, articles or files to your friends, family, etc. Internet Service Provider (ISP). It is a company that provides you connectivity to the internet against an annual or monthly fee. Some popular ISPs in Bharat are Vodafone Idea, BSNL, Airtel, etc. Search engines. Search engines are the specially programmed websites that search information for us according to the terms we specify. Some of the popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Tech fact: in 1974, the first Internet Service Provider, ISP, was born. It was known as Telenet. To use a search engine, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open a web browser. Step 2. Open a search engine. For example, type www.google.com. Step 3. In the search box, type the keyword related to the information you are looking for. For example, type search engine. Step 4. Press enter key or click search button. A list of related websites will be displayed. Step 5. Click on the link you find most relevant and read the information. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default web browser in the Windows 10 operating system. To open Microsoft Edge, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Search Microsoft Edge. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Edge and it will open. Also, you can click on the Microsoft Edge icon on the taskbar. Parts of Microsoft Edge window. The parts of Microsoft Edge window are given below. Current tab, new tab, back, refresh, favorites, more, address bar. Knowledge zone. Yahoo was initially called Jerry and David's Guide to the World Wide Web. Larry Page and Sergey Brin are the founders of Google. Mark McCahill coined the phrase surfing the net.